Hi folks, this is Nachiket signing in for today's topic Periphery Wall under the building construction process. And remember, we are doing this presentation for low risk building and building built from scratch under the prime phase of building construction process, that is substructure works. So let's quickly dive in to the next slide, that is Periphery Brick Wall. This is a blueprint reference. You can see a plan, a cross section and a 3D view out here. This green highlighted part is your periphery wall. So this periphery wall construction is basically a masonry work, and remember, you don't have to construct the entire building throughout in the middle of this part, right, in the plain beam part. So this highlighted part is the portion where the periphery brick wall is constructed. It acts as a retaining wall for sand backfilling. Okay, so here is a cross sectional part. You can see in between two footings, you can see this brick wall and done up to the soffit of plinth beam, right? So this is the most important work though, and it works as a retaining wall structure. And this is a 3D view of footing and then the above neck brick wall. Next, let's understand the standard process of a periphery brick wall construction. So first is your trench. You need to excavate the trench of around 24 inch, means 2 feet, and depth of about 2 feet. So this is a basic excavation that you need to do. In the second part, you need to fill the sand and compact it properly, and after that place the PCC, the plain cement concrete, then start the brick work. First will be around of 20 inch, then it will be of 15 inch, then it will be of 10 inch. Okay, so this is how the brick wall width will remain. Then the next part is, what are the quality tips that you need to follow while doing this brick work. So in the beginning, always soak the bricks in water so that it will absorb maximum water as much as possible. Then next is, check the horizontal and vertical alignment thoroughly. Even the layout is most important in case of plinth beam. It should be properly aligned with the column. Okay. Then always check the mortar ratio. The sand, cement and water ratio should be perfect. It should be 1:6 or 1:7 or 1:8, whatever it is, but it should be as per the design or the specification given in the contract. Okay. The next is, racking and jointing is compulsory. If you don't do this exercise, what will happen is, in the future water will penetrate inside the voids of mortar. So always fill and always conclude the brick wall through this racking and jointing. It always look aesthetic as well, and these grooves help to cut hole the plaster in a more intact manner. Okay. Then the brick bond type, this is most important. Always go for Flemish or English bond for periphery wall. So these two are recommended ways to make the bond effective. Okay. One more thing to add, while doing this brick work in these two columns, always hack the RCC surface so that it will have a proper grip of this joint with the brickwork and RCC part. Okay, so always do the hacking and put the cement water combination, just a punning kind of thing that you need to do before adjoining the brick part. Okay, then what are the safety rules that you need to follow in case of the periphery brick wall? As we are doing the excavation work, for the trench excavation, you need to be prepared regarding this snake shield, and everything should be used beforehand. then you must follow the manual. If you find out rocks out there in this 2 feet also, you need to dismantle that, because to have a very good hold of foundation. Okay, so again you need to barricade the area, because you are excavating a trench. You need to be careful, and PPs, they are must. Then be careful about tripping hazard and fall over in this portion. Snake holes, you need to be careful. And as you are excavating the trench via any backhoe excavator, so never stay nearby any heavy machinery under operations. So be careful about that and follow safety norms strictly over in site. So in here, thank you. See you in the next video, that is up next, backfilling substructure works.